everyone, I'm Miss Siren. This time we are going to learn a very important feature called flash fill. Especially learn how to separate email address using flash fill. When you use flash fill, you don't have to use complicated Excel function. Therefore, the users are able to merge and split text. Shall we start? There is email address data. As you know, from at the usernames are on the left. The domain names are on the right. When you want to separate your data by username and domain name, how to? Click F4 cell. Entering username. That is setting up a pattern. Username Ultra 330 ULTRA 330 and enter. To operate flash fill, click Home tab. And do you see the fill drop-down box and editing group? Click and click flash fill. See? The usernames are filled automatically by this pattern. You can also press the flash fill shortcut Ctrl+E. Click F4 cell and Ctrl+E. See? Shall we do only domain names? Click G4 cell and domain name gmail.com. Entering gmail.com and enter. Then press Ctrl+E. Again, the domain names are filled automatically. Isn't this simple enough? Okay. Thank you for watching. This is Miss Siren. See you next time. Bye bye.